Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Ayan from group 3 to 4. Today I will be talking about kinetics of simple enzyme reaction on the base Michael-Mental model. This model helps understand how enzyme speed and reaction, how the activity change with different concentration substrate. Introduction. Enzyme kinetics. Enzymes are biological molecules that catalyze, meaning they speed up chemical reaction in cell. Any enzyme reaction the bind to substrate and complex allow the reaction occur more quickly than it would otherwise. So how do we describe the enzyme of the reaction? That very enzyme kinetics come in the rate of the with the reaction occur change depending on variation factor specific of how much substrate in available. The Michael-Mental equation. The Michael-Mental equation. To explain this better, we have the Michael-Mental equation which describes the reaction relation between the reaction rate and the concentration of the substrate. The equation look like this. Let me break this for down you. As you can see this image, enzyme has activity site where the substrate bind. This form the enzyme substrate complex allowing the chemical reaction to proceed faster. The substrate that gets the converted into the product which realize from the enzyme, and enzyme is free to catalyze another reaction. Now this image keep increase the amount of substrate at first reaction rate increase because there are more molecule for the molecule enzymes work on, but as substrate conversion get real high, the reaction rate level of approximate Vmax high. This is because the enzyme can only work fast once saturate with the substrate, ending more want speed thing up. Lineweaver-Burk plot. Another way to represent this is using the Lineweaver-Burk, which takes the Michael-Mental equation, the rearrange into the straight line. From this make the easily find value for Vmax and Km, plotting in inversion of the substrate and conversion and reaction rate. The Lineweaver-Burk equation look like this. This equation look like this because the plotting the data we can determine the both Vmax and Km from the scope and in front of the line. Effect of inhibitor enzyme activity. Now let's talking about the inhibitor. Inhibitor are substance and decrease the activity for enzyme. They can work in different way, but two common types are competitive and non-competitive inhibitors. First, competitive inhibitor. The inhibitor complete with the substrate from the enzyme activity side. This means the reaction rate will substrate decrease if the inhibitor present because the enzyme less like bind to substrate. Competitive inhibitor. The inhibitor bind to different part of the enzyme, not the activity site. Conclusion. To summarize the Michael-Mental equation and the Lineweaver-Burk plot are key tools the understanding enzyme kinetics, and inhibitor can affect the rate of the reaction in different way. This understanding is essential for studying how enzyme work in various biological process. Thank you for watching. I hope to give for your clear understanding on base of enzyme kinetics. I hope this explanation help you understanding the concept behind the kinetics. Thank you.